how to remove the background from an image in Canva. This is what you will learn in this video. Although this is a pro feature, but if you stick till the end of the video, I will show you a trick where you don't have to have a Canva Pro to do this function. Anyways, we'll start with the pro version first. We'll just take a picture like picture of this apple, and if you have a pro account, you just need to select the picture and then click edit photos, and right on the top you will see this background remover. You just have to do this one click, and it is going to take some time, and it is going to remove the background just like this. Now you can just reduce the size of your frame so that you can move it here and there easily, and it don't interfere with the other images. And just to show you that the background is really removed, I'm just going to change the background color from white to, let's say, this yellow, and now you can clearly see that the background was totally removed. Now if you do not have a Canva Pro account, you don't need to worry. The only thing is that you have to go out of the platform and you have to visit this site, which is remove.bg. This is a free background remover website. You just need to upload your image here and just see the magic. You don't have to even press any button, and you will see that your picture would appear with its background removed. Now you can simply click this download. The only catch is that if you use the free version of this, you will get a lower resolution image, and for a high resolution HD image you just need to sign up.